usually when there was a war or some sort of power struggle between two groups of people, and this is actually not usually, this is always the case, the person on each side, or the group on each side, will try to make the other side look as evil as they possibly can, and then vice versa, they would try and make themselves look as good and as righteous as they possibly can. And if you take these two competing narratives, usually the one that becomes the uh, mainstream knowledge is the one that was written by the victor. Is the victor trying to make his opposition look as evil as possible and make himself look as good as possible? And that's obviously the narrative we see in South Africa today.
Willem Petzer tells us that South Africa is suffering from the phenomena of history being written by the victor. Well, that goes both ways, Willem. So does mainstream knowledge. It goes both ways. The apartheid government wrote history the way they wanted to write it. Dr. Verwoerd and them, and F.V. de Klerk. And so will it be rewritten when the ANC government comes in. It cuts both ways. Thank you for listening. If you dare, buy us a coffee. The link is in the description.
Why are you running? Why are you running?